Good morning, and welcome to Mars Weather. Today we'll check in with the surface rovers before heading into our three-sol forecast. Perseverance is active and currently operating at Jezero Crater. Today, it drove 6.8 meters during mission Sol 1927, bringing its total odometry to 43.66 kilometers. At Jezero Crater, today's estimated high temperature is minus 35 degrees, with a low of minus 79 degrees. Winds are expected to reach up to 85 kilometers per hour, and the atmospheric pressure is estimated at 7.9 millibars. Dust opacity is measured at 0.75 tau. Perseverance captured a new image on mission Sol 1928 using its NavCam camera, showing the latest view from Jezero Crater. Curiosity is active and currently operating within Gale Crater. During mission Sol 4959, Curiosity drove 58.5 meters, adding to its total odometry of 37.87 kilometers. At Gale Crater today, the estimated high temperature is minus 29 degrees, with a low of minus 71 degrees. Winds are expected to reach up to 53 kilometers per hour, and the atmospheric pressure is estimated at 9.7 millibars. Dust opacity is measured at 0.66 tau. Curiosity captured a new image on mission Sol 4963 using its NavCam camera, showing the latest view from Gale Crater. Rome is currently dormant and has not moved from its last confirmed mission site, Utopia Planitia. With a total odometry of 1.92 kilometers, it has remained stationary since its last confirmed movement. At Utopia Planitia today, the estimated high temperature is minus 37 degrees, with a low of minus 77 degrees. Winds are expected to reach up to 95 kilometers per hour, and the atmospheric pressure is estimated at 9.3 millibars. Dust opacity is measured at 0.98 tau. InSight is retired and remains at its final mission site, Elysium Planitia. It has not moved since the end of its mission. At Elysium Planitia today, the estimated high temperature is minus 26 degrees, with a low of minus 72 degrees. Winds are expected to reach up to 58 kilometers per hour, and the atmospheric pressure is estimated at 8 millibars. Dust opacity is measured at 0.83 tau. NASA's MAVEN mission scientists report a new understanding of how certain auroras form on Mars, revealing they operate through a miniature version of the same process that drives Earth's auroras. Published in Nature Communications, the study explains that magnetic reconnection within Mars' localized crustal magnetic fields creates a small-scale Dungy cycle, accelerating charged particles to generate these light displays. Although the MAVEN spacecraft was declared unrecoverable in June 2025, researchers continue to utilize its archived data to uncover how solar wind interacts with the red planet's ancient magnetic remnants. This discovery helps clarify why Mars and Earth have evolved so differently despite sharing fundamental physical mechanisms for auroral activity. Sol 602 brings a high of minus 32 degrees. The sky remains filled with a dusty haze, with the highest dust optical depth at Hellas Planitia. Winds peak at 102 kilometers per hour near Olympus Mons. Overnight lows drop to minus 76 degrees. Temperatures remain stable with highs near minus 32 and lows around minus 77. Dust levels stay high but steady, while wind peaks gradually decrease across the later sols. Deimos makes its first crossing of the apparent disk of Mars, lasting 82 minutes. This event is not visible from Los Angeles, New York, and London due to daylight or twilight. Phobos begins its first crossing of the apparent disk of Mars, lasting 54 minutes. Los Angeles and New York experience daylight or twilight, while London sees Mars below the horizon. Phobos makes its next crossing of the apparent disk of Mars, lasting 53 minutes. Los Angeles and New York cannot observe the event as Mars is below the horizon, while London experiences daylight or twilight. Mars is currently in the constellation Taurus. For observers in New York, Mars rises at 2:30 in the morning and sets at 5:28 in the afternoon. That's your daily Mars weather update. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed, stay curious, and keep looking up.